So last night about 11 o'clock, as I was watching on the camera, and this girl and her baby, very nice, very sweet. So I was going out to get some hay for her, and what happens is I walk past this one and her water broke just exactly when I walked past, and I went, oh, I guess I'm not going to bed quite yet. So anyway, this ewe, the interesting thing, this ewe, look at that lamb, yeah? This ewe is a purebred Dorset. The dad, Casper, is a purebred Dorset. And look at that lamb. Is this just a freak of genetics or what? Oh, cookies. You tell me, because this is like the fourth, fifth, I call them Holstein lambs this season. But the interesting thing is purebred Dorsets. My rescues from yesterday, look at that. Yes. Little beauties. Little beauties. And this morning, what did we have in the pen? She's a clun. She has one and two. Yeah. She is a skinny girl. All right. Well, that was all the excitement from just before bed to now, next morning. It's going to be a beautiful day.